Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on JASMY. For the past several days, the price line of JASMY is getting rejected by this downtrend line resistance, and now it has confirmed another support as well. Like here, you can see that it is getting squeezed now between this support and resistance. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and recently the price line is once again getting bounced from this downtrend line support. And this is the formation of another falling wedge pattern that is formed here on the daily time frame chart. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you the previous breakout from this very, very big and huge falling wedge pattern and from this descending triangle as well. You can see that we broke out this wedge here in the month of January 2023. And after that, the price has rallied very well. So far from this, though, to this current high, you can see that Jasmy has rallied more than 2,069% and could not break out this long-term resistance zone. That starts from 5 cents and goes to 6.1 cents. That had been previously breaking a support zone here, resistance here in the month of March 2022. And now here again, we had a long spike inside the support, the resistance zone, but the price could not break it out. And now it is stuck inside this falling wedge pattern. At the same time, we are also having a very, very nice and long-term uptrend line support as well. You can see that we found this support here when it was moving inside this descending triangle in the month of October 2023. We had a bounce here and then the bounce here and then the bounce here. And if the price then moves down here, then it can again test this support. And in today's video, we will also analyze this support as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for Beefy Finance, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup. Like this trade signal I shared on 31st of December 2024 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade signal as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Jasmy. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that Jasmy has formed another falling wedge pattern now recently. It is again dropped at the support of the wedge. At the same time, it has also tested this long-term support of 2.7 cents as well. This is a quite long-term support, by the way. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this 2.7 cents has been previously working as a resistance here and support here, and also had been working as a resistance here back in the month of April 2022 as well. And recently, again, it worked as a support here. And now, after testing the support, it is gearing up and still moving to the downside, by the way, inside this wedge. It is possible that while moving inside this wedge, price and may test this support, this long-term uptrend line support, and then it may break it out because this is the bullish bias pattern. Therefore, there are more chances for the breakout rather than breaking down. So far, it is forming lower lows and lower highs, and still there is a probability that we may test this uptrend line support. Now, if you take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this uptrend line support is quite long term, by the way. That is coming from the month of October 2023. You can see that we had a bounce here, another bounce here. This was another bounce. And this time, if the price and reaches here, then it can once again have another bounce from the support. And it is also possible that the price and may move here sideways. And while moving here sideways without breaking down this support of 2.7 cents, the price and may test the support of this uptrend line support. Now, in case of breaking out this falling wedge pattern, the technical target for the breakout from this wedge will be here at the top of this wedge. That will be at this long-term resistance of 5 cents. By the way, from 5 cents to 6.1 cents, we have a quite long-term resistance zone. Recently, the price was rejected here by this resistance zone. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that previously this resistance zone has been breaking as a resistance zone here and support zone here. And again, it is breaking as a very, very strong resistance. Therefore, we need to keep an eye on this resistance zone. In case of breaking it out, I'm expecting that soon it can also hit the target for the breakout from this previous long-term falling wedge pattern as well. You can see that on the 7 days time frame chart, we have already broken out this wedge. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 20 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Yes, there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.